Atongoria na ikundi itiganite cia makanitha no ithiete na mbere na gukumithia ciiko cia andu kunyitwo migwate ni maabitha a borithi hindi ya mirurungano ya thayu. Ngwataniro ici ni ciugite ni ciihariirie gukorwo ikinyita itemi ria bata hari miario iria iratabarirwo ni thirikari na ikundi itiganite niguo gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria makoretwo magicungiriria mirurungano.
On the other hand, we wish to advise the Kenyan youth not to throw the baby with the bathwater. This country and its future is in our hands to nurture.
Hamwe noguo atongoria aya ni makumithitie borithi ni kuhuthira hinya mukiruku kuria rurungani ona thengia wa gukorwo magitabania mirurungano ya thayu.
We urge the president to prioritize the needs of Kenyans and pursue what is good for all citizens, rein in on corruption, reduce opulence and unnecessary expenditure, and lead in keeping the rule of law.
Ona kuri uguo ni moritie mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto guthikiriria makaya ma Kenya na gwetha kihonia kia mathina macio gukumakiuga ni mehariirie kugia na miario ya hamwe na kunyitithania a Kenya.
Just like George and Charlene, your own sons and daughters in the house. And when your son and daughter Charlene asks you a question, you cannot answer her or him in an angered way. I request you to calm and speak to these gents like a father to them.
Kugina kuo urumwe wa makanitha ma evangelical ni macereire andu aria marathie na mbere na kuhonia nguraro thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta. Makiaria matongoretio ni David Thagana maugite borithi magirirwo ni kuruta wira wao wa kugitira andu aria maratabania mirurungano ya thayu indi ti kumatharikira.
Na ni twaigua ruo ruingi muno riria twakorwo gakora mwanake ni hindi arerekiirie university yake arathiaga okugeria guthondeka bururi wake nigetha andu makiona mawira riu ena irima ria rithathi irarutirwo moko ndari ciara ndari.
Thagana ni uritie andu a wendi mwega mathie na mbere na kuheana thakame kuri andu aria mararigitwo thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta.
Hili ni swala ambalo limeisi kusumbua hii nchi kwa miaka mingi sana. Wakati watu wanaingia barabarani inakuwa ni mtindo ya kwamba risasi vitu machozi ambavyo havihitajiki.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Siaya atongoria a makanitha riu ni marenda thirikari ikuruhanie ikundi cia kimabũrũri niguo kwaraniria na kunina ndugamano eno.
Youth restrain from destroying our properties during these demonstrations, especially in our area which has been lagging behind for a long time.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.